Oh, there is Mr. Oliver playing with his curtains because he gets his own little space here. Oh, he's like, Mommy, don't open and show my private space. I'm having a good time in my bed. Okay. Ooh, PETPAWJOY cat hammock. Okay, let's see what comes in it. This is what comes. Ooh, nice setup. We have 4 of these. We have 2 here, 2 wires, and 2 more of these. And of course our hammock. And here are, oh, these are, you hear them? Okay, let's go ahead and build it. And of course, it comes with my instructions. Here they are. It's easy, simple to follow. This is this wiring. You see these 2 little paw prints? It has right here where you're gonna put in your wiring. Your wiring has right here. Let me see if I could zoom it in. Right there, you can see this little thing. You're gonna have to put it in there, and then just twist it in. These 2, they have the little hooks in there, the little metal in there. You're gonna get your wire and you're gonna connect it there too. Oh, hi, Mr. Oliver. You ready to help out? Okay, we're gonna put the last 2 right here on each end, right here. Oh, look at him. He loves it. He's checking to make sure we didn't forget anything inside the box. There he is. Mr. Oliver's checking. And there we have it. We have the wire here where the paws are, and we're ready to install. Okay, we're installed. We have it all hooked up here. Mr. Oliver's showing. Look at him. He's enjoying this nice wiring. You see here? They love to watch outside. The cars pass. Here's Figaro watching the cars pass. So they both get to enjoy it now. As you can see, they barely have a little bit of space in the windows. So this gives them a little bit more of a comfort and relaxed space. There goes the car. Oh, here it comes. Here they go. They get to see their cars pass. Oh yeah. You get to see the cars, the birds. Look at him. So. Look at this, beautiful. He's quite a distance.